Hare Krishna. Today and tomorrow we are celebrating the divine appearance of Lord Sri Krishna. You will see the Lord's appearance in this world is called by the name Jayanti, Krishna Jayanti. Jayanti is only applied to the Supreme Lord because of his being extremely divine. Like we say, Tato Jayam Udiraye, like that Bhagavatam says. So Jayam means may there be victory for all those who recite the Srimad Bhagavatam. Param Vijayate Sri Krishna Sankirtana. So those who are taking part in the Sankirtan movement, let there be great victory for them. Similarly, Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaha Tatra Shrir Vijayo Bhutir Druvani Tirmatir Mama. This verse says that where there is Lord Krishna, the master of all mystics, where there is Arjuna, the supreme archer, there is always victory, extraordinary power, opulence and morality. So all these verses are declaring victory for those who are taking to the path of Krishna consciousness by chanting the holy name, reciting the holy Gita, or reciting the holy Srimad Bhagavatam, or in some form or other connecting with the Supreme Lord. What is so special about it? Because when Lord Krishna descends in this material world, he liberates the jivas and takes them back home, back to Godhead. Sometimes people think Lord comes in this world only to enact the law and punish the lawbreakers. But Lord not only comes to enact the law, he comes to awaken love in our hearts towards him. That is the primary activity of the Lord. Just like Lord comes to subdue Kaliya, but he also wants to awaken love in the hearts of Rajabasis and demigods and the other living beings who all are relishing his beautiful dance, which is extraordinary, which is immortalized in the pages of the Srimad Bhagavatam. Similarly, the Lord comes to subdue the false pride of Indra and prove to him that he is not the supreme, and he purifies him, but that is not his primary goal. Below the Govardhan hill, Lord is relishing rasa exchange with his pure devotees for 7 days. And in this way, Rasaraj under Giriraj. So he comes not only to enact the law, but to awaken love in the hearts of all when he comes to this world. And as soon as he comes and descends in this world and performs pastimes, immediately the darkness is dispelled, ignorance is driven away, all living beings get awakened and rejuvenated in their Krishna consciousness. You see, matter is dark, spirit is light. Matter is heavy, spirit is like a strap of cotton, very light. The matter is entangling, spirit is liberating. The matter is pain producing, contact with the Supreme Spirit Krishna is bliss producing. The matter in this world increases ignorance, contact with matter, whereas contact with Supreme Spirit is enlightening, enlivening, uplifting, purifying, and spiritual energy increasing. So you will see, therefore Krishna comes in this world to give jivas a direct experience of his presence, to enter their hearts, to touch their lives, transform their lives. And in this way, whether he is personally descending here or his descent in this world is recorded in the pages of sacred scriptures like Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavatam, and his teachings and instructions are passed down in Guru Parampara. There is no difference. It's all the same. On the divine appearance days, like today, tomorrow, there is going to be a big celebration all across the globe. So reminding ourselves of his descent and reminding ourselves of his teachings and instructions and beautiful pastimes he performs in relation with his devotees. So these are ways by which we can not only purify our consciousness, but also uplift our platform of realizations and awaken more and more pure love for him. one should take maximum advantage of such days like these divine appearance days, because Lord is present in all the more prominent way on these days. So one who chants with a bit of more sincerity, one who hears the kathas with bit of more enthusiasm, you take a little extra bit, and the Lord will take a million steps towards you, seeing your enthusiasm. Because just as on the birthdays, anybody is in a happy mood to be willing to offer anything to anyone. The Lord is also in a very happy mood on these days. So let us chant the holy name with the prayer to Him that please, just as you entered the jail of Devaki and Vasudev and dissipated the darkness and littered it up by your divine presence, similarly, drive away the darkness in my heart, which is like the anarthas and metal attachments and all kinds of bad propensities like shadripus, lust, anger, pride, envy, illusion, greed, and all these things. Drive this darkness out by your divine presence and stay forever in my heart so that I can see you, serve you, become eternally engaged in your devotional service. So this is the mood in which we are welcoming the Lord into our hearts on this auspicious occasion of Krishna Janmashtami. Krishna Bhagavan ki, Harinam Prabhu ki. Let's offer our humble obeisances unto all the Vaishnava devotees of the Lord who are just like desert trees, for ocean of mercy, full of compassion for the fallen conditioned souls. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Ananta koti Vaishnava vrinda ki, Vaishnava Thakur Srila Prabhupada ki, Namacharya Haridas Thakur ki,